Hello, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to fix an iPhone that is currently uh, having a problem right now because due to water damage, only half of the screen is working. Yeah, only half of the screen is working. And the owner of this iPhone SE is no other than this guy, and he really loves adventure, and he's accidentally damaged his phone because of water. This guy really loves water because he's a Carabao. He always go to the swamp, and he always loves water. But this time he damaged his iPhone. I was able to fix it, to restore it, but the problem is only half of the screen is working. So as you can see, I will try. Here's the if you're going to dial 124 asterisk 0852, it's working. But when you dial 3, it's not working. 3 6 9, it's not working. Even this one, it's not working. So what we are going is we're going to fix this one. Only half of the screen is working. This one is working while this side is not working. Okay, so I'm going to try to open it. Okay, after reading my devotion for today, which is entitled Long Life Promise for Honoring Parents, a devotion for end time families. But anyway, I'll try to open this one and hopefully it will work. Okay, just flex my tinker abilities. Okay, so first is I'm going to open this one here. Okay, yeah, that one. I'm going to open this one, but I need more lighting and I need to wear glasses just to see things clearly, and I have to open. Oh, maybe it won't work. Okay, so I have to open this one. Okay, so we have to keep things organized, so we'll be putting them here so that the screws will not be lost. The screws are so small, they're so minute, so you really have to be very careful not to lose things here. Okay, so there, we took off already the 2 screws here, and the thing is we're going to open this one. We're going to open, but we cannot open this one, but we need some sort of suction cups to open this one. So this time I'm going to use this stuffed toy with a suction cup on its neck. Hello, say hi. Hello. Alright, so we're going to use this suction cup. Okay, put the suction cup and then oh, there. Oh, yeah, there it is. See, the suction cup works, the stuffed toy works. Yeah, there it goes. So we have to open it. Ooh. Okay, so the iPhone SE is something like no, this is so delicate. Bonjour, it says bonjour. Okay, so we need some kind of lighting here so that we can see. Yeah, so first we have to remove this. Okay, you see it. You have to remove this one. There's a latch here, and okay, there's a latch that is used for a very small piece, so you have to put it there and keep everything organized. So there it goes. So there's the inside of it. So there's the inside of it. Okay, so still working. Yeah, still working. So I have to remove these screws. Okay, things to remove the screws. You can see it from here, here. Everything is so small. The screws are so small. So first I'm going to remove this one. Oh, this is not the right screw. I should be using this one. What am I going to open it? I see it. It's too bright. And the screw is so small. Let's see. Look at that. The other one, there are 4 screws here. Another one. Removing the ports, the port for the screen. Maybe we should use something like this. Okay, there. Another one here, and then another one there. Already removed the screen from its body. So this is how an iPhone SE looks. Okay, so here's the screen, and we have to put that aside, and we're going to open the battery ports. The battery ports. Oh, we're going to use the Phillips screw. So we're going to remove that one from there, and then another one from here. Okay. This one is so small. That screw. This one is so small. It covers the port for the battery. So we have to remove the port for the battery. The battery is this one. There. There it is. So maybe we can just try. So maybe we can just try to put this back on. You can stretch a little bit of here. sometimes this one does the trick. You have to do stretch sometimes. Okay, this one will do the work. Let's try. So we'll be putting this back on. Let's put this back. Feel a little bit of snap from there and here also. Okay, just be very careful not to bend anything on this. There. And then from here, the screen. Okay. And then next is we're going to put the port of the battery. Okay, so there it goes. And let's try to open this one. This one will work. Okay, so there it is. Hopefully both sides of the screen will work. Let's just wait for it. Hello, it's working. Okay, here it is. There, this side is already working. Yes, it works. Yeah, from this side it's already working. The other side is already also working. So, and then this one, oh, you can drag now the home button. Okay. So that's how simple it is. If you encounter that problem, you can do this trick. So there, we can just put the screws back on and just put everything back. We have to turn on this line so that I can see clearly. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit shaky. There, I'll put another one. This one, I need to put this back. Oh, my hands are shaky. is working already, and it's already working. Emergency call, like this one is working. This side, well, on this side it's also working. So we're ready now to set it back. Let's just set it back. Okay, heard that snap, and so this side is already working. Okay, so there, everything is working now, and pretty sure this guy is going to be happy now. He can use again his phone to chat his girls, and just always remember, you Carabao, not to make your phone wet again, so that you will not water damage it again. Okay, Carabao, be happy. Your phone is already working again, so you just have to set it everything from the beginning again. Alright, so that's our video for today, and Carabao, be happy na. Carabao, don't cry na. Okay, see you again on my next video.